Looking insane, just as I expected.
Oh my god! Creature of the night! No! Oh! Oh! What's the tea, everybody? This is your girl, honey. Oh my god, you know what I feel with this hair? I feel like I'm giving very like Shaka Khan, honey. Shaka Shaka, honey. Shaka Shaka Shaka, honey, honey.
Hey cryptic creatures, welcome back to the crypt. In today's video, I'm doing something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and that is a Lushious Massacre inspired look. Lushious Massacre is an amazing YouTuber and drag queen and has one of my absolute most favorite channels on this platform.
I am feeling the fantasy with this hair. Oh, do you see this femininity, darling? Do you see this cross-dresser woman, creature of the night realness? Ooh! Share this video with your friends, with your Judies, honey. Share this video with your trade. We will not self-sabotage and we will not run ourselves into the ground today.
So go check her out and give her some love. Links are in the description below. So I've been wanting to do a Lushious Massacre transformation because number one, drag makeup looks like a lot of fun. Number two, drag makeup looks really intense, like it requires a lot of skill. So this might be a bad day to do it because I have a limited amount of time. I have slightly less than 2 hours, so let's get started. So I'm actually following a tutorial that Lushious Massacre did 1 year ago, and the look is very colorful, but I kind of wanted to take that same look and make it more goth. So that is what I'm gonna try, and I've never attempted this look before, so wish me luck. Okay, I'm gonna try this, but I'm gonna change the color scheme a little bit. So I am still gonna try the blue eyebrows because I do have blue glitter, but I'm gonna exchange the yellow for pink, the red for purple, and I'm gonna keep the green underneath. So that's gonna be my color scheme that I think will be just like a little more on the gothy side.
I can't wait to see a whole bunch of little massacres running around out there.
Okay, I have one absolutely insane eyebrow on.
Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Do not be afraid of looking ugly. Not being afraid of messing it up. You never know. It might just work.
Okay, I wouldn't say I have the eyeliner exactly how I want it, but I'm not exactly sure what she's gonna do next, so I'm gonna leave it like this for now and go in and fix it once I know what the next step is. I do have this face paint, body paint palette, so I'm gonna try the white from that one. Looking insane, just as I expected. And I have like an hour left. Okay, so oh god, okay, I'm gonna hurry.
Try something new and don't be afraid, honey. Let that fear go. Not just in makeup, honey, but in life. Go out there, let your fear wash over you and exit through your pores and release it from your body.
I don't contour my nose, mostly because it's actually broken and crooked, so it's hard to contour my nose. But just for the sake of being thorough with this tutorial, I'm going to sort of contour my nose. Okay, moving on. Okay, I think that's pretty much the eye. So again, I'm just gonna clean things up a bit and I'll be right back. Okay, I have like slightly less than 30 minutes. My camera died. Oh my gosh, well I think this is gonna be as much as I can do. I'm running out of time. Let me just slap a wig on really quick. And it is all done. This is as much as I could do with the time that I had.
Fully destroyed. What have I done? No, honey. There's no coming back now, honey.
Go ahead and drag me. Go ahead and drag my drag because look at that comparison. But this was my first time and I will definitely keep practicing until it improves. So until next time, take care of yourselves because it is the most important thing, and I will see you all in the next video. So that is all. I'm gonna get out of here. See y'all later.